Hey everybody, it's December and you can probably tell I colored my hair. I've noticed a trend that every time my birthday comes around, I end up changing my hair, whether it's a haircut or hair color. And so I darkened my hair. I had to do something with these roots, y'all. Look at this. Had to do something. And I was thinking, what am I gonna do? Christmas is coming right around the corner. What style could I do? And I figure, new hair color, let's do a wash and go. So that's exactly what we're getting ready to do. Let's get started. Okay, so for this wash and go, I'm going to use extra butter and the Curly Magic. Be sure to leave this in the description box below. You can find these products at Target, so make sure you check it out. Or you can get it online at unclefunkystarter.com and use discount code Samitra for 15% off. My hair has been freshly washed because I colored it. I also did a deep conditioning treatment using the Heal and Renew I shared with you in my previous video, but I do that every time I shampoo my hair right now. And so you can see it's nice and moisturized. It feels really good. It's detangled, it's nice and soft. I'm gonna start on this side and then I'll work my way over. I have the extra butter. I'm gonna take a generous amount, pretty nice size amount for the section I'm working with. I'm gonna apply that from roots to ends, making sure my hair is completely covered with the product. I'm gonna take the Curly Magic and do a couple pumps of that. I'm just going to coat that over the strands and massage it. Just kind of let it clump naturally. Look at that. And that's it. We're gonna do that all over, allowing the curls to clump. Just kind of shingling with the fingers to make sure that the product is massaged in quite nicely. Extra butter, nice size amount. Make sure that it's massaged in. This is a slightly larger section than the previous, so I'm just kind of feeling to make sure the product is covering all of the hair strands. I'm gonna take the Curly Magic, a couple of pumps of that. And then massage that in. And it's so smooth. Again, I want it to clump just kind of naturally, so I'm just massaging it with the fingers, making sure the product is completely covering the strand.
It's important to make sure that my hair is nice and saturated, so I am going to use my water bottle just to make sure that my hair is damp before applying the product. For the front, my curls are not as defined and my hair is not as thick, so I am going to use my detangling brush to help define the curls instead of using my fingers to do the shingling method.
Okay, I'm all set. Don't ask me how I'm gonna sleep. I have no idea. I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, I'll just have to, I don't know, find a creative way to sleep. Hey, good morning. So my hair is completely dry. I clamped this out so I can wash my face and stuff, but my hair is completely dry. So I'm just gonna focus on the roots and just, I really wanna get it nice and full, and you see how that gives it some lift. Just using my pick. Look at that side compared to this side. Huge difference. Huge difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish like lifting at the roots, adding some shape to the front. You all know the trick that I use with just the bobby pins. For those that have not seen that in another video, I simply just lift here, grab a few bobby pins, and this creates kind of a bang effect. I just do some crisscross in front. You see how much lift that gave it? So that's really going to help to frame the face. You see the difference? I have, this side has been lifted and picked at the roots, also lifted at the bang area. This side has nothing. It's a huge difference. So I'm going to go ahead and work on this, and I will come back to show you the final results. Yay! Hey everybody, so here are the results. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm so excited. New color, love the shape, the volume, the definition. I'll leave all the information in the description box below. Don't forget you can find these products in Target as well as on unclefunkysdaughter.com and use discount code Samitra for 15% off. So I hope you all have an amazing holiday, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!